Hi boys and girls. This is Billboard here again, coming at you live from the field, late March. And as you can see, Mr. Sun decided not to help us out today, so we are boa-less. I'm sorry to say I cannot bring you a rosy boa minute at this minute. What I can bring you is this fabulous spectacle of nature that you see yonder. That's a waterfall that most people in northern San Diego County never get to see. You guys are all too busy at Dave & Buster's, at Chuck E. Cheese. You need to get your kids out here in nature and show them something like this. Watch this. You see that? How many of you guys can tell me what that is? Besides you guys over there. You can't play. Take your kids out and show them something like this. That's real life. No magic mushrooms jumping up around. No golden coins falling out of the sky. Just nothing but that beautiful waterfall. We did see a bunch of snakes. How many species, guys?
8.
8 snake species, and about the same with the lizards. Lots of cool plants. Beautiful flowers. Birds. Trees. No salamanders, that is true. Anyway, until next time, this is Billboard bringing you another non-Rosy Boa Minute. And I'm just gonna silence myself for a minute and let you enjoy that beautiful natural spectacle of nature. See you later.